All right, boys, so we're going camping tonight with just the essentials. We're here at Walmart. Get it cracking, you know. We got to find a few things. We're not going to spend more than $20 for the whole night. Old Hickory Lake, all we have is our hammocks, tarps, hot dogs. We're on the road. Headed out there. Boys, we pulled up here to Old Hickory Lake, fishing rods. That's about it. We're not taking too much. The permit out for me. I'm about to go out there. I'm really gonna try to find an island or a cliff or somewhere on the side of the bank. We're gonna go meet up with DJ Radical. About to go hit it. We gotta get some gas real quick. You don't want to be stuck out there without any gas. Yeah, thank you to our sponsor today, Alto's Tequila, keeping us in the game, keeping us lit on the lake. If you haven't had some, go get some. We'll go right up the river. We're up here. We're trying to find a nice little camping spot on the edge of the bank somewhere. DJ Radical's pulling up on the little scooting boot over here. We're on the big Bermit today. Berming out, you know, boys. TWA tries to pull up. Oh, where to go. Brad knows the hood. He's from this hood. He knows that. Hopefully, we can rip some lips. What kind of bait you got?
Got a little whack. Not good.
Oh, classic wacky worm. We're gonna try to catch some big old catfish tonight. We got chorizo dogs. Brad's all the way up there. See how long it takes to catch him. I bet 30 seconds.
Down, down, down. Down, 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 down. Guess who's back, back again, Shady's back, tell a friend. Now everyone report to the dance.
Good spot, got a couple islands and shit. We're gonna pull up, we're gonna let Rad go first because he's in the little boat. I already hit mud. This is his way, so hopefully we're not kicking up mud still. It could get sketchy, but we're professionals. You know us. You know we're going to make it. We found this dope spot. It's got a nice grass clearing, trees for us to hang up our hammocks. Look. Where?
Look at all that shit left.
Holy shit. There is a campsite. Should we just use it as ours tonight? Yeah, fuck them.
Look, there's been beavers over here, too. Look at those beaver trees.
Wow. Wow, look at those trees. Yeah, go ahead, park, right? Park and then we'll park. This is wild, y'all. We found the honey hole. Look at this shit. We're gonna catch so much wildlife.
We got them all, I violated bond. Smoking on some shit, look like a log. I finally had a son, I'm flipping. Now let me show him how.
We're in about literally a foot of water right here. You can see all the mud, all the cloudy mud. But hey, we're loaded up, ready to rock, boys. You know what it is. And boom, look at this. They left us a little place to hang out. There's a basketball, fire pit. Is this some moonshine? They're making moonshine out here?
I don't know.
Dude, we're gonna transform this motherfucker into a dope ass campsite.
Oh, they left us a taco bottle.
Oh! Another one of our sponsors we didn't bring out here, Taka. If you're in high school, you shouldn't be buying this, but if you're in high school, it's the cheapest thing you can buy. So go get drunk for the low.
Smell it, cool. You should have gotten it when it was full of air. gotta be 100 proof for it to burn.
Streets feeling me, bad bitches been hitting me, making history, but this whiskey bottle is killing me. Ain't worried about shit. My little partners got this. They'll roll up with chopsticks, they'll pop and chop bricks, but goons be bygones. It's a positive vibe. Go for the gusto every time. I put it all on the line. If they talking about jelly rolls, then I'm in my zone. All these other motherfuckers starting to sound like my clone. I've been doing this a while. It's about time that I'm on. Talking about totem pole, that boy high like a drone. A felon that keeps it on me. I bet the streets will know me. Used to move a lot of weight, but I ain't eat a lot of protein. I ain't gotta say shit. Ain't the one to play with. Gave the game to him raw. Look, I'm Stephen A. Smith. I'm between.
Got a little fire pit, little fire hammock, hung all the way up. You know what it is, little firewood, and then we have our late night sleeping remedies. With the natural water flow supplied by John B. So Rad, what are you trying to catch right now?
It's bait fish.
Bait fish. What are you using? What kind of lure?
Rooster tail.
Rooster tail, little rooster tail. Yeah, we good.
I got this set up for whoever the fuck catches something.
So we're trying to find these bait fish so we can catch bigger fish.
Shout out to Grumpy's Bail Bonds for the sponsorship. 1-800-877-GRUMPY's. Getting in any trouble?
Just go ahead and hit up Grumpy's downtown Nashville.
For the fall, they been waiting on me. I know that's what they all say. Live it up, they been hating on me. I ain't tripping cause we all pay. No Juventus, fuck the critics. Riding on the way, you gon' wash away. I came in by myself, they ain't listen. I was that nigga with the ticket, doing had the ambition. Came up, running, we'll take off from them.
Alright, we're all hooked up. Got my rod ready. Got all this shit. John's about to throw some shit in. Rad, he's over there. Hi, guy. But
Observing.
we found a little cove. It's looking nice. Hopefully we can catch some nice bass or just bait fish in general. So we're not having much luck.
Get us closer to the bank.
We've been throwing all these things
Stop
in.
driving.
Look, I'm a great driver. Here, look, I'll show you. You gotta turn it by press. Look, press it down to turn it, and then there's the gas. Yeah, okay.
Let's see if we can do that.
All right, Dale.
Get us over there. 50 yards. I'd say we're about 6 foot plus.
6 feet deep. That's perfect bass depth.
Could be 20 foot. Could be 80. I don't know.
I got you, dude. Let me just
No.
look.
We're like 50 yards away from the bank when you're driving.
I'll pay more attention.
Yeah.
All right, I'm ready to catch something. Here we go. We tried our best. We didn't catch anything.
Wait, keep our lines out, yeah? Dude, that is...
Yeah, we're gonna keep our lines out. I've got an ultimate catfish line strung through 2 trees right now, hanging with a cheddar chorizo bait. So, we'll see if it works.
Wheezy baby.
Sponsored by Zippo.
Sponsored by Zippo.
Hey, I'm back. Yeah. That's right. Yep. Birdman. Yep. They gonna have to call it off. Bird shout it. I told them. Yeah.
Never caught any fish, but we're out here making some hot dogs. You see how they're going.
Extra right.
Looking pretty good on the grill right now. So that's our dinner for tonight. We'll see what happens the rest of the night. Sun's starting to go down. Everybody's kind of in their hammocks. You can barely see, but there's a little bit of white light left on the water. It's about that time to get it, boys. They look hurt. They look slumped. But hopefully we'll make it. The rig's out here.
Some real deal under a bridge kind of shit, if you ask me.
It's about 1 a.m. A little wood on the fire. Keep it going. Keep it rocking through the night. It's about time to hit the hay. Yeah. Morning after. Got the fire still rocking. Held us all through the night. Oh, look at little DJ Radical. Looks like a really interesting way to sleep. John's heard it, man.
the mouth sweats.
Overall, I give it an 8 out of 10, except for the sleeping. I didn't sleep much, but got a full day ahead of us. Look, the sun's starting to come up. 5:40 in the morning. Rad is still asleep over there. We have a whole bag. We're gonna take out the M80 so he doesn't like shoot us. But yeah, we're gonna wake him up the firecracker way.
Should we do it right now?
Yeah, hell yeah. Just toss it right on the bag.
Yeah, get him in the back.
Oh, get him. Almost look like a fucking scorpion.
He's got a big ass claw.
Crawfish. Yeah, get him to grab
get
on
me,
to something.
bitch.
Yeah, grab on.
Dude, guarantee you'll catch a monster, bro. That is a monster crawl right there.
Damn. We need
Get
him.
on here, bitch.
Turtle shell.
Here, and here's Tupperware thing. We'll leave him alive and then just stick a hook to him. There you go.
Alabama.
Bang now. Oh shit. It's not coming out. Not really coming out.
Pretty tough, isn't it? I just legitimately spit a bug out of my mouth.
It's just a dead tree. Look at this shit. It just won't come up. I don't know. You got it. Woo! This is a morning workout. Alright, so we hooked it up. We baited it up. We got Old Faithful.
I'm gonna put you in right near the weeds.
We're gonna go over here near the weeds, see if we can catch us a monster real quick. Grab trailing. Look at this. Look at this stuff.
Man, fuck these niggas. I'ma spare everything but these niggas. I flip a gun and gun, but these niggas take the knife off the hickory and cut these niggas. Yeah, and fuck these bitches. I swear I care about everything but these bitches. I don't care, I so what these bitches. And I put young moolah baby, we above these bitches. If it ain't broke, don't break it. And if he ain't shook, I'm gonna shake him. Hope I don't look weak, cause when a wolf cry wolf, you still see that wolf teeth, motherfucker. Futuristic handgun. If you act foul, you get 2 shots and 1. I'm at your face like Lancome. You niggas softer than Roseanne, son. Hey, you cannot reach me on my Samsung. I'm busy fucking the world and giving the universe my damn tongue. Crazy motherfucker, I am one. But the crazy thing is, I began one. All white bricks, I'm straight.